In this video, we learn some major Khmer festivals and useful phrases uses in Khmer with their pronunciation in Hindi. Khmer New Year, Chol Chanam Thme. Happy New Year. Suwostiichnam Thme. Wishing you happiness. Som oi mean sok hapip lao. What are your plans for the new year? Te anak mean komrang of Chol Chanam. Pchum Ben. Bon Pchum Ben. Happy Pchum Ben. Suwostii Bon Pchum Ben. Offerings for ancestors, Phka Ning Aha Dambe Bujia. Are you going to the temple? Te Anak Tov Wat Te. Water Festival. Bon Om Tuk. Happy Water Festival. Suwostii Bon Om Tuk. Enjoy the boat race. Reek Ray Chia Mui Ka Prolang Tuk. Do you watch the boat races? Te Anak Mul Ka Prolang Tuk Te. Royal Ploughing Ceremony. Pra Reach Piti Krot Pra Nyankle. Happy Royal Ploughing Ceremony. Suwostii Pra Reach Piti Krot Pra Nyankle. Celebrating the start of the farming season. Cheer Ka Burk Ka Dam Dam Nam. Wishing for good harvest. Som oi mean Damnam Lao. Visak Bokia Day. Bon Visak Bokia. Happy Visak Bokia. Suwostii Bon Visak Bokia. Celebrating Buddha's birth, enlightenment, and death. Cheer Thangai Kamnaet Pra Put. Are you going to celebrate Visak Bokia? Te Anak Neng Obrazata Visak Bokia.